Welcome to the 3-Minute Travel Channel. Our channel aims to deliver the charm of travel in a short amount of time. Let's embark on fun and exciting journeys together. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the culinary capital of South Korea's heartland. Daejeon. Prepare your taste buds for a gastronomic adventure like no other. Today, I am thrilled to unveil the top 3 local recommended restaurants that will tantalize your senses and leave you craving for more. First stop on our flavorful journey is Kimchi Fusion Delight. Brace yourselves for a collision of traditional Korean flavors and modern culinary creativity. Picture this succulent grilled bulgogi infused with a zesty kimchi twist, served alongside crispy kimchi pancakes that will have you dancing in your seat. This hidden gem combines the essence of Korea's rich culinary heritage with a playful twist that will surely leave you wanting seconds. Next up, we have seafood paradise by the river. Imagine dining with a breathtaking view of the Geum River while savoring the freshest catch of the day. This culinary sanctuary is a haven for seafood lovers, offering an array of mouthwatering delicacies straight from the sea. From melt-in-your-mouth grilled jumbo prawns to delicate steamed sea bass, every bite is a symphony of flavors that will transport you to seafood paradise. Last but certainly not least, we have Spice Odyssey, a journey to Flavortown, calling all spice enthusiasts and adventurers. Get ready to embark on a voyage of explosive flavors at this vibrant eatery. Indulge in fiery kimchi jjigae, aromatic galbi tang, and tantalizingly spicy tteokbokki. Each dish is a roller coaster ride for your taste buds, guaranteed to ignite your senses and leave you in awe of Korean cuisine's bold and daring flavors. So there you have it, fellow foodies. Kimchi Fusion Delight, Seafood Paradise by the River, and Spice Odyssey, a journey to Flavortown, are Daejeon's top 3 local recommended restaurants that will take you on an unforgettable culinary adventure. Prepare to be dazzled, delighted, and deliciously satisfied. Bon appétit! Thank you.